Okay, this thing has been stuck in the port of Los Angeles for about 3.5 months. And it came from Vietnam. TSG here. Thank you for joining me today. I do appreciate it a lot. Subscribers, you guys are awesome. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, please. And Patreon patrons, thank you. Consider becoming a Patreon patron if you aren't already. It would be greatly appreciated. Well, Honda, made in Vietnam, stuck at the port of Los Angeles for 3.5 months. Why am I showing you this? Well, back in October, Shooting Gal went over to get her car washed at one of those brushy car wash drive-through things. You know, one of these. And it ripped off the rear windshield wiper arm and windshield wiper and everything. It just tore it right off. So my recommendation to you is, if you got one, if you got a car that's got one of these things, do not go through a car wash drive-through thing with the rotating, you know, because you're bound to have this happen. But anyway, it wouldn't have normally been an issue. You know, we probably could have just gone down to Honda, picked one up, and be done with it. I think the Honda price at the retail stores, you know, at the dealership, very high. So I ordered this online from a reputable OEM parts place that I frequently go to. And they said it was back ordered because they hadn't gotten any in yet. And so I'm just assuming it was stuck over there on the West Coast. Couldn't get in, couldn't get the part. Finally, it's here. And today we are going to install it and show you how we get this thing installed. Let's pull this baby out. I've already had it out, obviously. Get rid of that. There it is, the whole arm thing, spring and all that. Let me show you the old one. And yay, verily, it looks very much like a Honda part. It's got Honda numbers stamped on the inside and all that stuff. So good. Here's what happened to the old one. Let me give you a close-up right there. That's right. You see that? It broke, and here's the broken part. Yeah, I wasn't about to try to repair that. It just tore it right off. Not a bad design or anything. It's just kind of what happened, and it's underneath this piece of plastic. Yeah, and if you look down inside the old one, it's made by Mitsuba, and the new one made by Mitsuba. You want a little more info on Mitsuba? Here it is. I tell you what, let's go out to the garage and let's get this new one installed. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. Here we are at the back end of my wife's Honda. That's right, this is the thing that, this is the cover, and we're going to take this off. And that's where that broken piece that you saw in the other footage came off of, and the arm would come out here. So I'm going to unscrew this. Let me go get I guess that's a number 9? Number 9. Get that number 9.
Number 9?
Let's get that off. Did I say number 9? I meant number 10. Let's get that baby off of there. Oh, pops right off. Simple as that. Let's get the other arm. All right, this is the whole arm and the whole dealio, and I got to get this cap off. And it's rather simple. If you can take a quick look underneath there, you'll see there are 2 ears. All you need to do is pull those ears away from the slot, and all of a sudden, a little bit of patience, it comes right off. So that's the new cover. Let me show you what happened to the old cover. That's the old cover. Yeah, it's busted. So I'll keep this as maybe a spare, but I'm glad that they provided me with a new cover. All right, I just noticed something. The old one and the new one are slightly different. It appears that the old one has knurling, raceway basically, for this knurling to fit on. This one does not, and the hole is slightly bigger. it was guaranteed. Oh, but it went on there really good. There's no raceway in there. No knurling. But it's going to go on. All right, let's try it. I'm going to make sure that it's as far down as I want it to go, which is right there. It goes on. I'm going to take the nuts pre-installed inside of there. Screw that on there really nice and tight. There's the El Capo. Look at that, goes right on. Now the only thing that's missing is the windshield wiper, which goes on the end here. So let's focus that. The windshield wiper will go on there. Let me go get that because I got a replacement one of those, and I'll slip it on there. Well, there it is by a company called Wiper, Wiper Experts of USA. That's the part number. It's for Honda. It's for Mitsubishi Outlander of that year. It works. It's the right size. It's not original Honda, even though they say original fit rear wiper blades. At least it'll fit. At least I'm hoping it does. I'll leave a link down below. I'm not affiliated with these guys, but use our Amazon link if you want to get some wiper blades. I don't know how well these are going to work, quite frankly. But that's all that was available because of, well, you know, what are they calling it these days? I forget what the stupid stuff is called. It's when, the heck is that called?
Supply chain issues.
That's right, supply chain issues.
I was starting to feel a little foggy. I just didn't feel like things were as sharp as I knew they once were.
Okay, so there's a rounded end and a flat end. This is rounded. Make sure you put it on this way. Just like that. Take off this orange colored protector and we put it right down there. Would you look at that, folks? It's on there. Okay, now all we got to do is test it out. There you go. It works. Now, it is a little low on that side. And what I might do is take this off, make the quick adjustment, snap it back on so that it's a little more even. Might as well just do it on camera, right? Take that off. Unscrew this. Now seeing how far it goes, I can pull this off. If I put it up to here, there you go. If I put it to there, then I know it'll come down to about there, which is a little more even. There you go. There are the broken parts. Let this be a lesson to me and to you. Don't take your Honda CR-V into one of those automatic car washes. Yeah, it will grab this thing, tear it off, then you got to go through all this. It probably wouldn't have been so bad had it hadn't taken 3.5 months to get the parts, but they're in, it's installed. I hope it was helpful to you. Do me a favor, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you've had any experiences like this with your Honda or any other make model rear windshield wiper. Do me another favor, make sure you use my Amazon links if you do need something like this or anything from Amazon. It would certainly help out me and my family. Share this with as many people as you know so that in case they have a Honda, they'll be helped out too, or any car for that matter. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I love you guys. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. Yeah, and if you want to know a little bit more, we just recently bought this Honda CR-V all-wheel drive hybrid.